What do you do when your Walmart Plus delivery goes wrong? Well, hello there. Welcome or welcome back. My name is Julie, also known as the Frugal Mama. And first, I am not sponsored by Walmart. I am, however, a longtime customer and a former employee. I have been using the Walmart Plus grocery delivery service since my health struggles made it a necessity. And even as my health has improved some, I still enjoy the convenience of not only the Walmart Plus grocery delivery, but also the other benefits that come with the program. Stay tuned for another video coming soon where we will talk about those other benefits. So what are some things that could go wrong with your Walmart Plus delivery service? Well, many things, of course, as is the case with any type of delivery. But I am going to talk about the problems that I have personally experienced, what I learned, and how I worked with Walmart to rectify those situations. For this first video, we will talk about the number one most common problem that I have dealt with, and that is produce. Getting fruits and vegetables delivered can be tricky, problematic even. There is an inherent risk in having someone else pick out your peaches, mangoes, and cucumbers. Bruised, smashed, smushy, moldy, overripe. Unfortunately, the Walmart associate will never pick out produce the way that you would. And the problem is even worse with pre-packed bags of produce. Word to the wise, don't even order those. It's not worth it. I know it looks like it'll be cheaper. It's just, please, it is not worth it. Even if you have a diligent associate picking out your fruits, they may miss a bad apple in that bag. So what do you do if your produce is bad or less than ideal? With today's food prices, I no longer feel bad about wanting my money's worth. If you are disappointed with your produce, don't call the store. Go to your Walmart Plus app, click on your account icon, pull up recent purchases, find the offending order, and you will see the option to start a return. Select the bad produce and the app will lead you through the simple steps to initiate a return. I have had to do this several times, and though it sucks to not have the produce that I wanted, I am grateful that the app has always been very prompt and easy about getting me my refund without having to drive back to the store with my produce. There is, of course, a financial limit on what you can get refunded without returning it to the store. Also, I'm pretty sure they keep track of how often you use this feature to deter customers from abusing this option. Once I have gone through with the return and received my refund, the offending produce can then go into the compost. If possible, I will at least harvest seeds from it. There is the option to leave comments in the return process. I sometimes do this, but only if I am incredibly disappointed with what I have received. I am happy to note that the one time I was just absolutely frustrated and even truly angry about the produce that I received, the app did send me a discount for my next purchase on top of my refund. The problem was that this discount code included certain caveats. I had to use it within a time frame. That wasn't a huge surprise, but I also had to purchase a minimum amount, and not only that, I could not combine it with my earned Walmart cash. We will talk about Walmart cash in another video. I did end up using the discount because of course I did, I'm the Frugal Mama, but it was annoying to have to use it within those parameters. So the big question, will I give up my Walmart Plus delivery and pickup service? No, not at this point. The benefits outweigh the produce issues most of the time. But hopefully what I have learned will be helpful to other Walmart Plus customers. I have also thought about going in and picking out my own produce, but then why would I be paying for the delivery app? It just doesn't make sense. So hopefully they will do better in the future. Please tell us in the comments about your experiences with the app and the service. I do hope that you are subscribed. Please consider giving us a thumbs up. If you are enjoying this content and do want to show us some extra support, please do consider checking out our Patreon campaign. The link is in the video description. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you all very soon.